Arriving in a new destination should feel exciting, not stressful. At Aurum Transfers, we're here to make sure your journey begins with ease, comfort, and luxury. Whether you're landing in Montego Bay, Kingston, Ocho Rios, or Negril, our premium airport transport service ensures that your airport transfer is smooth and hassle-free. With a fleet of top-of-the-line vehicles, including spacious sedans, comfortable SUVs, and luxurious limousines, your ride will be as impressive as your destination. Each vehicle is equipped with plush leather seating, air conditioning, and high-speed Wi-Fi so you can relax, refresh, or get some work done while we take care of the road ahead. We offer more than just a ride, we offer an experience. From the moment you step off the plane, our professional chauffeurs are there to greet you with a personalized meet-and-greet service, helping you with your luggage and ensuring your journey is as smooth as possible. Forget long waits, confusing directions, or the hassle of hailing a taxi. Our knowledgeable drivers know the quickest routes and the best ways to avoid traffic, ensuring you reach your destination on time and stress-free. Whether you're headed to a luxurious resort, an important business meeting, or exploring the beautiful island of Jamaica, Aurum Transfers guarantees that you'll travel in style and comfort. At Aurum Transfers, we don't just get you from point A to point B, we elevate your travel experience from the moment you land. Ready to travel in ultimate comfort? Book your airport transfer today at aurumtransfers.com and let us turn your airport arrival into a luxurious experience. Aurum Transfers, where your journey begins.